We rolling? All right, you guys, I'm about to take this Tata DBX1 out. This right here is a Butte. I guess that's what they say, Butte. When did I start riding bikes? Well, I guess the real question is, when did bikes start riding me? Wait, that didn't make sense. I know I'm wearing like a Spider-Man helmet, but this is my kid's helmet, so I had to put it on because my helmet won't be until next week. But Zoe's gonna record me going at least 88 miles per hour down that dirt pathway right there. I don't have my flux capacitor on, so I won't be traveling back in time anytime soon. Attempting to ride a dirt bike. I'm brand new at this, but I'm a natural. You ready?
Yep. Careful.
Oh, hold on, that's not how it works. Hold on. Why didn't want to take off on me? What? Oh, the gears weren't down. Gear has to be all the way down. Woo! First try. On the first try, I got it. Now listen to that thing. Woo! I wasn't scared at all. I was not